Why the H-1B visa remains one of the most popular employment-based visas.
Greetings. I am Immigration Attorney Edwin Fogam. Today, I wanted us to look at why the H-1B visa remains one of the most popular employment-based visas. H-1B is an employment-based non-immigrant visa. In other words, it's not a permanent resident status, which allows a foreign national to be hired in the United States if they are in a specialty profession and has a bachelor's degree. Now, employers can use this to hire the foreign national for up to 3 years, renewable for 3 more years, so in total about 6 years. So this is a very popular non-immigrant visa that employers use. So why is it so popular? There are many reasons why H-1B visas are popular. First of all, it gives employers in the United States easy access to skilled workers from abroad. Secondly, the employer doesn't have to go through the cumbersome process of having to show that there are no Americans willing and able or ready to work. There's no testing of the market. Thirdly, these employers can use this path to transition the petition into a permanent resident petition for a foreign national. And also students who are in F1 as well as STEM OPT can use this path to actually control their immigration processes and transition to permanent resident status. And finally, most of these employees are very committed to their jobs because they are working specifically for this employer. Although there are provisions to change employment, but generally the incentive to do that is not always there. So H-1B is a very good visa provision for employers as well as for employees who will benefit from that. And that is one of the reasons why it is very popular. Now, what are the challenges? There are still some challenges with that. First of all, the lottery system. The lottery system came in to reduce the number of applicants because H-1B was very popular and is still very popular. So employers have to go through the lottery system to apply. Second challenge is the cap. There is a cap of about 85,000 visas a year, and most of the time this cap is exhausted and sometimes increased, but there's still a cap problem. There is also the challenge of scrutiny. Now H-1B petitions are being scrutinized more than before, and this is understandable considering the current immigration climate, the U.S. immigration policies vis-a-vis employment. And there are also economic challenges, right? The market or the U.S. economy is concerned about inflation, employment, and the situation of the American workers. However, this visa category still remains very popular and viable. If you would like to consider this, or if you are interested in finding out more how this can assist you as an employer or a beneficiary, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email, ekfogam@fogamlaw.com or info@fogamlaw.com. I hope this information was helpful to you, and I hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.